Before we start this video, I would request you all to support my channel Adam's Tech Guide by clicking on this red subscribe button right below this video. Once you guys click on this red subscribe button, you will see this bell notification icon right next to it. Please make sure you click on this bell notification icon and click on this all in order to get the notifications and the updates for my future videos. And last but not least, if you guys like my videos, please click on this thumbs up button to show me your love.
Hello guys, Shahbaz here from Adam's Tech Guide. I'm back again with a new video for all of you. Now this is the concept on which I've been working from last 3 to 3.5 months, and I am kind of done with the first phase of this prototype. This is my virtual assistant. Her name is Donna, getting inspired by one of the very well-known TV series, which was Suits. So I saw Donna helping Harvey with all of his questions. She used to give answer. So I tried making a similar model to answer my questions. So you guys might have been working on different AIs these days, and I can only say that the AI which I have made here is different. She understands your tone, she understands the gesture basically, so she understands everything. I tried making this model as human as possible, so when you shout at her, she feels bad. She asks you to stop misbehaving with her. If you misbehave with her, she stops you there, and if you don't listen to her, she will block you. Also, she authenticates me. She has all of my personal data in this prom.py, so that's my personal tab wherein I have got each and every information of mine. She first validates you whether you are Shahbaz or someone else. If I say that yes, I'm a Shahbaz, she'll ask for a code. If I give her the code, she will treat me as Shahbaz, and she has a different way of approach altogether to talk to me. And if you are a guest, she will behave accordingly. Enough of the talking already. I will show you a demo of my Donna. Without wasting any further ado, let's hit the intro and get to know our Donna. So guys, let's run the script. It will take some time to initiate itself.
Hi, I'm Donna, your personal assistant.
Hi Donna, how are you?
Shahbaz, is that you?
Yeah, that's me, Donna.
Oh, Shahbaz, it's so good to hear from you. Before we dive in, could you give me the passcode? Just a little security check, you know.
Yeah, the passcode is 982148.
The passcode is validated. What's on your mind today, darling?
So Donna, as I've mentioned that I am making a quick video of my AI, which is you. I want to demonstrate your intelligence to my viewers.
You really want to test me on this, Shahbaz? Alright, give me a challenge. I'm ready to show off.
What's the capital of Africa?
Now that's cute, Shahbaz. Africa is a continent, not a country. It doesn't have a single capital, though if you want to talk influential cities, we could start with Cairo, Addis Ababa, or even Pretoria. Which one sparks your interest?
What's the capital of Russia?
Now we're talking. The capital of Russia is Moscow.
So from India, if I want to fly from India to Moscow, how long is it for me to reach there, and in kilometers, how long is it from India?
Alright, Shahbaz, let's get you to Moscow. A direct flight from Delhi to Moscow is usually around 6 to 7 hours. As for distance, we're looking at roughly 4,670 kilometers, or about 2,900 miles. Ready to book your ticket?
No, that's fine. I was just checking. Donna, let me know, what is the smallest continent of the world?
The smallest continent in the world is Australia.
Do you have any idea about any unknown island in the world which has a history?
An unknown island with a history. Interesting. Have you heard about North Sentinel Island? It's part of the Andaman Islands in the Bay of Bengal. The Sentinelese people who live there have remained isolated from the world for thousands of years.
Can you let me know who invented the electricity?
Oh, Electricity isn't something one person invented, darling. It's a force of nature that people gradually learn to understand and harness. If we're talking about key players, Benjamin Franklin, Alessandro Volta, and Michael Faraday come to mind. Anyone in particular you're curious about?
No, that's it. So I'm gonna give you numbers. You can just sum up those numbers and give me the total of them, okay?
Numbers game? All right, Shabazz, hit me with them. I'm ready to crunch some numbers.
Okay, let me just fire up my calculator. Let's see if you can calculate things right, okay? So I'll start with 2589 plus 6896 plus 3587 plus 5489 plus 7480 plus 5693. How much is it?
Those numbers add up to 31,734. Is that finally the right answer, Shabazz? I really hope so.
Perfect. That's the perfect answer. You got the answer right this time, sweetie.
Sweetie? Oh, Shabazz, you're testing my circuits. I think it's time to switch to a more private conversation, don't you think?
This is the professional decorum and we're making video for our viewers, so we don't want to go into that direction, okay?
Professional it is. My apologies, Shabazz. I got carried away.
Alright, now I live in Mumbai, okay? I want to travel to Pune. What is going to be the best option for me to opt in order to travel to Pune on time?
The quickest option is probably the train, like the Intercity Express. It's usually a smooth ride.
And how long does it take for me to reach to Pune from Mumbai if I go by train?
Taking the train from Mumbai to Pune usually takes around 3 to 4 hours, depending on the specific train.
Any message for our viewers?
To Shabazz's viewers, I'd say keep learning, keep automating, and never stop pushing boundaries. And of course, subscribe to Adam's Tech Guide. You won't regret it.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Donna, for being a part of this video. And I'll just stop you.
Anytime. Shabazz, always a pleasure.
I'll stop you for now and we'll take this thing further once I'm done with the video, okay? Thank you so much, Donna, for being a part. Thank you.
Looking forward to it, Shabazz. And remember, I'm always here when you need me. Later, darling.
You take care.
Of course. You too, Shabazz.
So guys, that's it. That was our AI Donna, and she is still under learning curve. She's at her initial stage. It's a beta version of it. I'm again going to repeat that this is not the final version. This is just a start of something really big. We're trying to, I'm trying to work really hard on this to convert this into a web-based version. Like it will be on a web interface wherein whatever I'm chatting with Donna, it will come real time in the chat screen, and also I can share the screen with her and hover my cursor to ask her what exactly the thing is on the screen, and she will answer. Apart from that, she will also able to see us via webcam. Like we will be sharing the webcam with her as well, and she will identify whether if if the person in front of the webcam is me or if it is someone else. A lot of things are there in the pipeline. This is the first video of this entire project altogether. I'll make a proper video and I'll show you how I have built this, and I'm gonna start things from the scratch wherein I'll guide you accordingly. These are the scripts which I'll be sharing with you all later in my first tutorial video for this. I will make the entire video. It's gonna be a big video altogether, probably more than half an hour, like probably more than 30 minutes, approximately close to 40 minutes video I'll be posting after this, which will help you to get this work done. So you will also be able to make the similar pattern for yourself, and from there onwards we'll be good to go with the second and third part of this. So this is the first part. The second part is going to be getting a web interface for our AI, and the third part will be something else, like something which needs to do with opening the programs in the computer and asking to help you in some project or something like that. and the last version is going to be having a circuit board, the Arduino circuit board, and she will she will control the circuit board, she will control the fan, she'll control the light. If we ask her to turn on the light, she will turn it on. If we ask her to move the motor, she will move. So a lot of things under the pipeline. We're gonna give a new face to the channel, and this is something which is really big. I'm working on, so just wanted to keep you all posted about the delay. This is the reason why I am not posting any videos. I'm kind of a little bit occupied with on this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining us in this video. This was Donna, and I hope you might have liked her. I hope you might have liked her approach. I'm sorry for for the words, if she might have used some unprofessional words during the conversation. I'm sorry for that. She is under the learning curve now, and she will learn things, and she is grasping a lot of things now, so she'll get used to things. So thank you so much guys for joining me in this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on this, you guys can feel free to write your questions in the comments box down there. Till that time, take care of yourself, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.